You had a hard training session yesterday. Today, you feel heavy, wired but tired, and you can't decide if you should train again or rest. Here is a 48-hour protocol rooted in TCM that will tell you your nervous system it's safe to recover now. 3-phase. Start immediately. Phase 1. Cool the yang. Right after training, your yang energy is spent and hot. The worst thing you can do is more stimulation. Another coffee, a cold plunge that shocks the system, high stress meetings, scrolling. Do this instead. Eat warm, not raw salad, not a cold protein shake. Warm soup, cooked grains, cooked protein. Your digestive spleen, in TCM terms, is already compromised after hard exercise. Cold food makes it work harder when it needs to rest. If you can, a 20-minute horizontal rest within 2 hours of training. Not sleep, just horizontal. It's called 卧息, lying breathe. And this appears in Tang Dynasty medical texts as standard post-exertion protocol. 1 cup of warm water with 5 goji berries, steeped for 10 minutes. That's your recovery drink. Drink it slowly. Phase 2. Hours 12 to 24. Nourish the Yin. This is the evening and overnight window. Yin is built in darkness and stillness. This phase is non-negotiable. 1. Eat your kidney foods before 7 p.m. Black sesame in your dinner, walnuts as your last food. Nothing after 8 p.m. if you can manage it. 2. Lower the temperature in your room to somewhere between 17 and 19 degrees. This isn't comfort preferences. This is a physical signal to your nervous system that the active day is over. 3. No screens after 9 p.m. I know, but here is the TCM framing that might actually land. Screen light activates liver yang, the rising active force. After hard training, your liver is already taxed from processing metabolic waste. You are literally preventing your body's overnight detox by watching one more episode. Sleep is where Yin is manufactured. Protect it. Phase 3. Hours 24 to 48. Rebuild the qi. Day 2. You may feel surprisingly good, or you may feel the delayed sourness arriving. Both are normal. This day is for gentle movement, not rest. 20 or 30 minutes of walking, slow, outside if possible. The original Chinese has a saying, 道yin. This is not yoga, not stretching, not foam rolling. Walking in nature light at a pace where you can hold a conversation. Why does this work? Movement at low intensity drives lymphatic circulation, your body's waste clearance system, without drawing on your kidney reserves again. Modern research on active recovery supports this completely. Light aerobic movement on day 2 reduces DOMS more effectively than complete rest. Eat your protein, drink your water, sleep again. By hour 48, your yin is rebuilt. Your yang has a foundation to rise from. Now you can train. Save this video. You will want it the next time you overtrain and don't know what to do with your body. If you want the full system, 8 weeks of training, nutrition, and recovery collaborated to TCM seasonal rhythm. The Calm Strength Method opens on 10th of August. Link in description. See you.